Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ashley from Naturally Effortless. I'm going to do a channeled message. And before I have sat down, I am getting this is for the highest vibrational energies that are out there that are working for the divine good and that call upon divine good, divine holiness, just divine source, the highest of the highest. This message will resonate to the highest vibing frequencies, energies in the 3D form and in the 5D form right now. I set my intention for all that need to hear this now. All right, I'm gonna do my channeled message. When I am doing this, I will not be speaking. If you would wish to listen to the sound of my pencil, get into a meditative zone, or fast forward, go ahead. Whatever feels right for you. Okay. I do not consent to any ill intents. The three things we as the highest of the highs will touch base on: protection, closing down, and gold light. No entrance of the evil one, Prince of Lies, Ezekiel, and or Judas. When channeling gold light for the purest channel, no fools, no tricks are allowed. Be wise. Love, divine source, and everything holy. Yeah. Feeling pretty good about that. And I seemed to pick a color today before I started, and the color was red. So we are going to work off the color of red and what that means to you, what resonates with you. I do not consent. Cards are clear. I do not consent to any ill intents. The three things we, as the highest of the highs, will touch base on: protection, closing down, and gold light. No entrance of the evil one, Prince of Lies, Ezekiel, and Judas. When channeling gold light for the purest channel, no fools, no tricks are allowed. Be wise, love divine source, and everything holy. I've got the Nine of Wands. Why am I saying the Nine of Wands? I've got the Nine of Swords. We'll see about the Nine of Wands. What does that mean? But the Nine of Swords, and obviously the Nine of Wands is very important. So the Nine of Swords, you see, channeling is an art. It's an art form. Now, there we go. So the gold light, and this is what I'm seeing as a symbol of the gold light. So if you flip this over, and there'd be more of the gold, you flip this over and put it over your head, your crown chakra, your soul chakra. This is where the gold light is. It's purifying everything that is coming in to channel with you. Yes. The Hermit. Getting Jesus Christ. Everyone, please. I know it is said frequently and used incorrectly. The 10 Commandments does say, do not use the Lord's name in vain. Okay? Now we're going to go with that Jesus is God. I would prefer to say God is Jesus. God is within us all. So by saying Jesus for no reason, we are letting in, purposely or accidentally, Judas. We don't want that. Can we just uninvite Judas from our lives? Can we uninvite everything that is not holy? Please, the true Jesus. Stand up. Stand up for yourself. Stand up for others. You have been weakened by everyone's insults or not knowing the truth, that they have been blinded, and I do apologize. And I'm telling you, and I'm asking you, and I'm giving you the permission, Jesus Christ, to take back your power, to take back your energy. Be whole once more for the light. I'm getting great. What else? The Queen of Pentacles. Getting hogwash. There will be somebody that will be watching this channel thinking all of this is hogwash. Yes, it is meant for you, but if you do not believe, I will not push my beliefs onto you. But I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I love you. I honor you. I respect you. But I'm going to put you to the left, and I'm going to clear and transmute and send you love and light, honor and respect for the highest good. Anything else do we need to know? Close. Close down everything possible inside of you and around you. Close all portals, all conflicting souls. Close down the mind, close down the heart, close down every single organ possible. Close down everything that you have invited in purposely and accidentally. Do not consent to it. Be gone. It is unwelcomed. It is no longer welcomed. Get out from every crevice, everywhere, even in plain sight. Leave now. All chakras have been cleansed, purified. All that icky, sticky stuff, gone. I'm feeling it in my stomach. That has worked. What else do we need to know? Even the ones that are awake are blind. Remove that mask. Remove it. Even if you think you're the purest being in this whole entire world, you still need to check yourself. You need to look in the mirror. You need to fix yourself. So we got closing of the doors, we got protection, and we went over the golden light. And if this is hitting heartstrings and hitting like, ooh, ee, this is definitely meant for you. With love and honor and respect, yes, it's for the whole world to know and to see and to feel. And I ripple this out. And I do wish I could do more videos, like just pop them out, pop them out, pop them out, pop them out. But as you see, I do readings and I clear. I clear a lot of negativity, darkness, whatever you want to call it, garbage, hogwash, anything that does not serve you for your highest good. This is what I'm doing. I'm clearing, I'm clearing, I'm clearing, I'm clearing. Making things that were not pure, pure again. So with all of this clearing, when I am not clear, I am unable, and I will not do any videos to put my garbage onto you. I got the 10 of Wands. Carrying a boatload. I feel better releasing all of this off my chest. Anyone has any questions, comments, concerns, please type in the comments below. Yeah, the burdens have been released. Think wisely. Be wise. No fools, no tricks are allowed in. And look further away from the situation than closer. So now that I took you out and that you can see for yourself what is resonating with you, so you see things further away than closer. My camera did stop. I will fix this. Just have a few more things to say. Death and rebirth. Death and rebirth can be looked at as a snake eating its tail, and the figure 8, the number 8, completion and also continuation. Death and rebirth. So even though something has been completed, it's always a continuation. History repeats itself. The unknown is not so bad. Anything else? Getting fool's gold. The 6 of Pentacles. Balancing life. The Moon. Be careful what you wish for. Close down all previous witchcraft, all previous voodoo, all witchcraft is easier to get to you if you don't know it. So, protect, close your doors, use that gold. And don't be greedy. Just listen, okay? I love you. I honor you. I respect you. Left and right. Left. 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 left and right, left and right, right, left and right, left and right. So out of all those cards, this one was the purest one. I love you. I honor you. I respect you. Have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe.